Hey everybody. One of the things that we've experienced with now the two RVs that we've had is the fact that when you fill these up all the way, you lose a good portion of your water when you're going down the road. And so I've done this on our other RV. I've done it on this one, and I just wanted to share this with you. It is extremely important, however, that you pay attention to what I tell you about what the setup is, because you could collapse your tank or cause your system to have significant problems like exploding and that kind of stuff, which is not cool. So take that as a word of caution. You can do this to make sure that your tank stays full. Your freshwater tank will stay full, but it comes with caveats. That you have to be really careful and make sure that you are doing things when you get at the your setup point. Make sure that you don't cause damage to your system. So this is the second RV that we've had that I've done this to. The first one we had one vent tube. This one has two. So at any rate, I put a little valve in the vent tube. On this one, it's on both sides because it's two vent tubes. But on the other one, it was just the one. So I had just the one. It is really, really super important that when you're filling or when you're using your system that these are open. If you don't open these during filling, you will cause your lines to burst because it will get to a point where it's no longer capable of going into the tank. It will build up pressure until it starts hurting your components. If you don't open these when you are using it, you will collapse your tank. So please be careful if you do this. Keep that in mind. But basically the way I do this is when I'm filling the tank, these are open. When it gets nice and full, shut off the valve on both sides. And that keeps the water from going down the vent tubes. And it was particularly bad in our old RV. It would actually create a siphon. It would siphon off about a third of the tank, which was crazy. But again, you need to make sure these are open when you're using the RV. Now, another option you might consider is a check valve. The problem is that if you have a dual vent system, this would be good if you want to make sure that you don't collapse your system, because if you put this in on one side, it will still let air in as long as you have the arrow going the correct way. If you have them set up on both sides, you're going to run into that situation where you're damaging your system components because it's not venting anything. So again, be extra careful when you have this kind of a setup. You can give yourself a checklist or just get into the habit of doing it. Probably checklist is the best way to do it, to make sure that you open those valves. But that will at least keep the water in your tank when you're on the move. If you like what you see here, please like and subscribe for more content, and hope to see you next time.